No thanks, I have zero DIY skills.
Your mission is to make loyalty programs better.
Mission Loyalty.
Hi everyone, we're back in action with Mission Loyalty, your best connection for loyalty insights. I'm one of those pros and cons people. For every major decision I make, you can be sure I have a piece of paper floating around with 2 columns, full of the good and the bad. The way most people consider their loyalty technology providers is no different. It's all about the pros and the cons. So today, I'm going to share the good and the bad about loyalty technology. And I promise not to be too biased towards loyalty technology vendors like ours. So here's today's mission, and it's a big one. I challenge you to find the right loyalty technology for your brand. First, I'll run you through the pluses and minuses of the 3 most popular ways to create a loyalty program: building a program in-house, hiring an agency to handle the work, and using a loyalty platform. So here we go. First off, do it yourself. This refers to building the program internally with your team of developers and marketers. It's a great way to go if you're a tech company at heart, because you can build it exactly like you want it. But the drawbacks are numerous. DIY costs a lot of time and money, and you might not always have the right tools. But I need to tighten a screw. Building a loyalty program in-house is a resource drain for companies that aren't overflowing with UX researchers and tech talent. Also, the technology needs to be constantly developed and improved to stay in the game. So, if flexibility is a concern, you're better off relying on outside expertise. The second way to build a loyalty program is to hire an agency to handle everything from building the concept through launch and operation. An agency will combine its team's expertise and creativity and use their partners and their own technology to create an alluring strategy and a customized loyalty program from start to finish while you sit back and relax. The drawback here is that because it's outsourced, you'll have a little less influence on the loyalty program. Plus, it is a big financial commitment. Finally, the third popular approach is using third-party technology. Over the long term, opting for a loyalty program from a vendor is a cost-effective way to get the program you envision. But it does require effort to find the right partner, because not all providers are equal. So first, I'd like to distinguish between pure-play loyalty providers and the jack-of-all-trades platforms that also offer marketing automation or other functions. Get a head start on your vendor research by using trusted publications, like Gartner's Market Guide for Loyalty Management or Forrester's Wave around loyalty program technologies. You should look for a loyalty platform that is headless, or API first. And that means that the loyalty experience can be more efficient on your website, on your mobile app, even on WeChat. It should also be no code. And that means that the loyalty program structure and campaigns can be set up without programming knowledge. And you should look for a platform that's able to detect fraud. All right, now we've done a high-level comparison, but let's talk data. Here's the loyalty intel. In our global customer loyalty study, the amount of respondents with loyalty programs managed in-house or managed by a technology vendor were nearly equal. But when it came to satisfaction, there was a significant difference. Less than half of respondents who managed their loyalty program in-house said they were satisfied with their loyalty program. But when we asked the same question to respondents who work with a vendor, that number jumped up to 63%. So there's a lot to be said about having an easily customizable solution. If you're starting your journey to building a loyalty program, there are 3 key ingredients to making it successful. The first ingredient is strategy. It's a great approach to work with a loyalty consultant to hammer out the details of your loyalty structure, like point logic. And consultants can help you select the right technology too. Or you can work with industry organizations like the Customer Strategy Network, or the Loyalty People, or Loyalty 360. The second ingredient is technology, and that's what we covered in this video. DIY, use an agency, or use a third-party provider. And finally, consider a system integrator like EPAM or Axiom to help make implementation a much smoother process. Thank you so much for watching today. And if you're ready to learn more about Antavo's Enterprise Loyalty Cloud, visit antavo.com to see our product videos and documentation, or to request a demo of our platform. See you next time on Mission Loyalty. And your platform should be able to detect fraud. I don't know what I was supposed to do with my face. What was I supposed to do with my face?
An evil look.
Evil. Hiring an agency to take care of the work, or using a loyalty platform.